Your name and your designation, please.
Serap Neken, Vice President, Manipur Hockey, and Chairman of the Organizing Committee of this tournament.
Will you kindly detail me about the First Division Hockey Cup? This is for the first ever in the history of Manipur Hockey. How do you?
This tournament was conceptualized during the recent visit of the Chief of Army Staff to Manipur, and one of our members put up the proposal to him, and he in principle accepted, and he entrusted it to his officers, and approval of the Director General Assam Rifles was taken from Shillong, and now it is in fact jointly organized by the Assam Rifles and Manipur Hockey, and whole entire sponsorship is done by the Assam Rifles, and this will be in the annual calendar of Manipur Hockey, and it will continue to be organized in the years to come.
How many teams are participating?
Now 6 teams for men's and 5 teams for women. We expected around 9-10, but due to the present crisis, some of the district units have not turned up. So this is the thing.
Assam Rifles taking up this yeoman service in order to promote the Manipur Hockey. Do you really think this is a stepping stone for the?
Yeah. This is very encouraging, because the organization of tournaments is very much required for nurturing the young talents in every sports, and acknowledging the contribution of Manipur Hockey towards the national sports. The Assam Rifles has taken the responsibility, and we are very much thankful, and it will be very fruitful in the selection of step teams for the senior events also. So I appreciate the Assam Rifles for this sponsorship.
How do you take this for the first time in the history of Manipur Hockey, and for the Manipur state, Assam Rifles has taken up this particular first Division Cup role. How do you take such type of this development coming up?
So as you know, we had our Chief of Army Staff visiting us in the month of August, when some representatives of the Hockey Federation of Manipur, they had met him and requested him to organize an event where we can showcase our youth of Manipur who did not have a platform to showcase their skills and talent. So based on that, he had readily agreed for that, and based on this small request, we had approached the DGR, who was kind enough to allocate our funds for this, and I must thank General Vikas Lakera for taking personal interest in ensuring that money is getting released for this. And we started in right earnest, and with the support of Hockey Federation of Manipur and Assam Rifle, today we have the first ever DGR hockey tournament starting today, and we'll see that in case we can make it as a annual fixture in the state of Manipur.
I want to check also hot water. Most of the time,